Verizon's order status processing tracks your purchase from start to finish. When you order a device, accessory, or service online, through the app, or via a retail partner, you'll receive a confirmation email with a tracking number. The process includes order initiation, verification, inventory allocation, and preparation for shipping. Common status codes include OP, order placed, and IP, in process. Verizon strives for transparency, providing updates via email, SMS, or the app. As of 2025, Verizon reports a 95% on-time delivery rate for domestic orders, thanks to improved logistics and partnerships with major carriers. The Smart Order Tracker app feature now uses real-time GPS and predictive analytics to notify you of any potential delays, such as weather or inventory issues. However, processing times can vary, especially for high-demand items which may face back orders. Device orders typically take 1 to 3 business days to process, with standard shipping adding 2 to 5 days. Expedited options are available for faster delivery. If your order is delayed, first check the tracking portal for updates. If the issue persists, contact Verizon support at 1-800-VERIZON or via live chat within 48 hours for escalation. While domestic orders are generally reliable, international orders can face customs delays. Verizon is also focusing on sustainability, aiming for carbon-neutral deliveries by 2030. Remember that during peak seasons like Black Friday, some delays are possible. By monitoring your order status and utilizing Verizon's support channels, you can stay informed and address any potential issues promptly.